Good day everyone, we are the group 3 and today we will going to discuss with regard to drugs. But before that, let me first define what is drugs. Drugs are chemical substances that can change your body and mind work. They include prescription medicines, over-the-counter medicines, alcohol, tobacco, and illegal drugs. So now, Erich Gold of 1994, he is a respected sociologist. He listed 4 types of drug use. Firstly is medical use. A medical use, prescription drugs and OTC drugs used to relieve or treat mental or physical symptoms. For example is the OTC or the over-the-counter drugs. Those are available without prescription. So OTC drugs enable people to relieve many symptoms and to cure some diseases simply and without the need to see a doctor. However, safe use of these drugs should be required. Knowledge and responsibility, safety, and effectiveness. So some of the examples of over-the-counter drugs are the antihistamine, aspirin. Those are examples of over-the-counter drugs that can be found in some drugstores. Now let's move on to the second type of drug use, which is the legal use. Illegal use of such illicit drugs as tobacco, alcohol, and caffeine to achieve certain mental or physical state by the user. According to the Primary of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, not all drugs are illegal. The caffeine in coffee, the nicotine in cigarettes, and alcohol are technically legal drugs. However, these drugs should be used with limitations. Now let us discuss the third type of drug use, which is the illegal instrumental use. Using medicines without prescription, such as antidepressants and stimulants to address pain or undertake tasks. For example, staying awake to cram for an exams. And illegal recreational use. So drugs consumed for their pleasurable and intoxicating effects, whether psychoactive drugs or illicit drugs. They can be basis of abuse and can lead to a host of different personal and social problems. For example, addiction, crimes, illness, and what worse is death. Lastly is the illegal recreation use. Taking illicit drugs for fun or pleasure to experience euphoria. One example for this is taking shabu. So some people would say that whenever they take shabu, they experience pleasure and euphoria. And from the word itself, illegal, meaning it is forbidden by the law, or there's a law saying that these drugs are not allowed.
Experimenters began using drugs largely because of peer pressure and curiosity, and limit their use to recreational settings. Tobacco, marijuana, and alcohol are the usual elements of their drug-taking behavior, and they are likely to know the difference between light, moderate, and
so
chronic.
experimenters, so paano siya
began using drugs large because of peer pressure. So na-influence siya tungod sa laing tao para sa ilang kuan barkada, tapos sa iyang curiosity. Kumbaga na curious siya kung sa ilasa na di gani na-convince siya tungod sa iyang mga barkada nga yani lami ang ilim nun, tapos ang kininguan sigarilyo, maka chill sa ilang kuan. So mao to, kumbaga ma-convince siya ba sa iyang mga sa laing tao. Compulsive user in contrast devote considerable time and energy to getting high, talk insistently about drug use, and become connoisseurs straight drugs for their recreational fun is impossible without getting high. Other characteristics of this user include the need to escape or postpone personal problems to avoid stress and anxiety, and enjoy the sensational of drugs. Euphoric effect. Often they have difficulty in assuming personal responsibility and suffer from low self-esteem. Many compulsive users are from dysfunctional families, and often serious physical problems underlie their drug-taking behavior. Compulsive. So ang example ani, so ang behavior sa katao na dili niya mapugngan, kumbaga di makontrol tungod sa ilang mga problema or atakihon sa anxiety. Kumbaga ilang buhaton para la makalimot or makakuan sa ilang problema. Tapos dili ang yani nga tao dili nila makontrol ilang kaugalingon. Tapos kasagaran ani nga mga tao nga magbuhat kanang gikan sa dysfunctional family, baga gubot permi ang ilang mga kuanan, tapos permi nila mag-away ilang mga ginikanan. Tapos ang kuan ba ni kanang mga bang tao nga maging buhat ngani nga makaranas og kuan mga baga may sila serious physical problems. Number 3, filters or cheapers. Focus more on using other people drug without maintaining a personal supply. Nonetheless, cheapers like experimenters are generally like moderate consumers of drugs. Cheapers vacillate between the need for pleasure seeking and desire to relieve moderately serious problems. As a result, they drift between experimental drug taking peers to chronic drug or cheapers. Example lang isa iya kay kanang kuan na mga tao nga magamit lang managsa, baga dili nila habit ba, so tungod kay ada sila problema. Mo ni nga makikalubilo sila, kumbaga makiinom silang mga kaila or magamit og sigarilyo para lang kuan, para lang maka-relax sila or maka-feel sila nga or malipay mo sila nga makalimtan lang ng problema. So to.
So my topic is all about the general signs and symptoms of drug abuse. Unexpected changes for student, not limited to unexpected alteration in discipline manifested by disrespect to authorities with violation of school norms. School attendance becomes poor, where truculence set in cutting classes and unauthorized absences with no reasonable cause. This would result to fluctuating grades due to the lack of interest to study and comply with the required academic and non-curricular output. So this for the student that are abusing drugs. There are some unexpected alteration. The attendance in school becomes poor, cutting classes, and there are unauthorized absences with no unreasonable cause. For adult who is engaged in gainful employment, frequent absences is manifested. For a worker, less work output due to mostly lack of concentration and company rules and regulation. Where unusual flare-ups or outbreak of temper in normal or less emotional provoking situation is common to most drug users. There is also animosity and ill feeling towards family members and friends. There are also general changes in overall responsibility where the users typically chooses not to accomplish or totally abstain from carrying out basic duties and responsibilities which are routine in nature. As far as physical look is concerned, the changes in appearance, there is significant deterioration of grooming. Drug users are mostly unable to tide themselves because they have lost the interest in their appearance. This is commonly seen where the person deliberately fails to have his hair cut using a considerable amount of gel, or in extreme cases choosing to be bald. Sudden desire not to shave for men, for women, their lack of interest to go to the salon, sudden lack of interest to take a bath, and cut their fingernails, and the unusual practice of wearing the same cloth for the considerable period of time. That are some of the effects of abusing drugs.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Vincent G. Sinunggot and my topic is all about the general signs and symptoms of drug abuse. As far as physical look is concerned, there is significant deterioration of grooming. Drug users are mostly unable to tidy themselves because they have lost the interest in their appearance. So, ang mga drug abuser, bagan waray nahira pakialaman, ira ko lugaringon, like, dirira na paarot, diri nahira nag-aayos ang nira ko lugaringon, bagan waray nahira pakialaman nira ko lugaringon kung ano hira, bagan mahugaw nahira, or something nga, halaban nira buhok, sugad, ngan waray na latira time para mag make up or something nga magpahusay mo pagwapo kay ambutay ra. Next, as far as their preference for apparel is concerned, drug addicts have been observed to continually wear long-sleeve clothing to hide injection marks and the morbid craving to choose black or dark-colored clothes. So, on mga drug abusers, usually napansin mo nga long sleeve danan nira sulod kay para niran mga mark nga daha ang mga injection mark matago nira or ma-hide nira an mga injection nga dahil lawas. Tas gusto luwat nirahan mga black or mga dark clothes para ambotera. Wearing of sunglasses at inappropriate times, this may be attributed to the desire of the drug users to hide constricted or dilated pupils and usually big eyes due to altered sleep patterns. So makapansin ka mo, di ba, dani ang drug users mag-wear sa sunglass or mamulaan mata kay siyempre nira karuyag nga makita nito nga mapulangan nadagko tas dagkon eye bags. Amon ira gin ihimo nga way para ma-hide an ira appearance nga sugadan ira mata. Kay makaklaro niya o maupansinhan mga tao nga sugadan ira appearance an ira mata nga namumula. Next, weight loss not attribute to proper physical exercise because most drugs suppress the appetite. So, makapansin gyapon kamo sa mga drug abusers are maggasa mga bangkay kay di naman hiraganan kumaon ngan mag-exercise tungodhan pag ginamit nirahan drugs. Next, there are attempts to appear inconspicuous and subtle in both manner and appearance to avoid attention and suspicion. Many drug users frequent odd places such as basements, storage rooms, closets, and other similar isolated or closed compartments as hidden places. So, ang mga drug abusers nakatitira mga basement or mga compartments para gamit ang pinagbabawal na gamot. Danay nakatira may mga payag, sugad para mabuhat. Di naman nila pwede magbuhat na didahan mga public place kay masabtan nila kung ano nila gan bubuhat. Yan pwede nila madakop. Next, association with persons who are known drug abusers. So ang mga drug abusers inin permitiran nag-associated tiran mga drug abusers kay matungod kailangan nirahan connection kung di nila makakuhan mga paraphernalia or mga pinagbabawal na gamot para makakontak daan nila kadali-dali ngan kung di nila magagamit ito nga mga drugs. That's all. Thank you.
Symptoms of hallucinogen drugs. The following abnormal behavior can be sign of symptoms of LCD use. First is users usually sitting or reclining quietly in a dreamlike state. So, ang mga users ani ang ilang symptoms na if mag-use sila og ani nga drugs is mabutang sila sa dreamlike states like magtulala sila inana ba sa gilid inana. So next is may become fearful and experience a degree of terror which makes them attempt to escape from the group. So ang mga uban nga mogamit ani nga drugs is murag na sila yung mga gikahadlukan ba inana nya. Like murag na sila gitakasan katungod sa ilang utok na apektuhan na inana. So next symptoms is altered senses of sight, hearing, and touch, as well as distorted images. So murag na kani nga sign is ilang sense of sight kay murag na sila makita nga mag-hallucinate na sila ba na sila makita nga dili na to makita, na sila madunggan nga dili na to madunggan, and so mao to distorted images. Next is erratic mood and behavior. So murag sila, moody sila ba inana, like pabago-bago ang ilang pabago-bago ang ilang mood, ilang behavior, like dali sila masuko inana ba. And next is may have unpredictable flashbacks episodes. So ang kaning symptoms ani kay murag na sila yung mga unpredictable nga flashback, like ngay murag mo abot lang silang una-una ba nga inana munto siya. Next is since the drugs block the pain receptor of the brain, violent episodes of self-inflicted injuries may result. So one of the symptoms ani nga pag-use aning drugs is like mag-inflict na sila og kanang pain sa ilang lawas kay di naman sila ka feel og sakit. So muto bisag ila pang hiwa-hiwaw ng ilang lawas maglaslas sila dili sila ka feel og pain. Next is persistent memory problem and speech difficulties. So kaning ang symptoms po ani nga pag-use aning drugs is may memory problem sila, dali sila makalimot nya, speech difficulties which is kana magkanga na sila dili na sila makapronounce og sa saktong nga words, like di fluent ang ilang pagka-istorya na mura pud sila gubog. So lastly is large doses may produce convulsion and kamuts and death. So ang paggamit ani nga drugs is mag-cause daw ni siya og convulsion kana magbula-bula ang baba nya, magkiri-kiri na ba, and also makamatay po na sila. So ang kaning drugs so that's all the symptoms of LCD use. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My topic is symptoms of stimulating drug abuse. Pupils are dilated. Stimulants like amphetamines and cocaine trigger the release of adrenaline and other neurotransmitters, causes the pupils to dilate. Some people experience dilated pupils during to a migraine attacks. Kumbaga ito ay labis na pagsakit ng ulo. Isa rin itong symptoms na paggamit ng drugs. Pupils are dilated. Mouth and nose dry. The mouth and nose become dry due to decreased saliva production. Kumbaga diri na nagpo-produce ang saliva hay mo baba ngan nose due to paggamit ng droga. Chain smoking can increase nicotine cravings and make smoking seem more pleasurable. Ito ay ang chain smoking po ay ito yung pagsunod-sunod na paningkirilyo. kumbaga habit mo na ito. Kumbaga ultimo usa pa sindi ka usa ka stick, tapos pagkasunod nagsindi ka na naman. Amitan change smoking. If injecting drugs, users may have been hiding needles and syringes. Injecting drugs is a common method of administering stimulants. User may have hidden needles and syringes due to infection. Kumbaga bisan ang needle is not broken, nagkukos gyapon yan infection due to diri ko diya malinis nga needle, diri properly sterilized. Hyperactive, restless, and talkative. Increased energy levels and can lead to hyperactivity, restless, and excessive talking. Ibig sabihin ng hyperactive, ito yung labis na aktibo. Ibig sabihin ng restless, ito yung walang pahinga, and mahilig magsalita ang talkative. Na nagkukos ito ay isang symptoms kung nagagamit ka ng drugs. Number argumentative, alert, irritable, excited, and provocative. Can cause mood swings, make user easily agitated, argumentative, and prone to impulsive behaviors. Nagakasugad it user kung nag-use sirahin drugs na madali lang argumentative, kung madali lang magalit, ang excited na-excite ka sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga exciting, provocative, mahilig ka mangasar, and alertness ka, and irritable, madali ka lang mairita. Yan ang mga symptoms na gumagamit ng drugs. All vital signs are increased. Stimulants elevate heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Stimulants kasi ay na-elevate niyan mga user to stimulants. Kumbaga, not all vital signs are increased. Kumbaga, pinapasigla niya ito due to use of drugs. Bloodshot eyes and body temperature is cold. Can cause blood vessels to constrict, leading to bloodshot eyes and reduce blood flow to the extremities, resulting in cold body temperature. Siya ini mo kabutangan kung usa ka nagagamit in drugs. Kumbaga nimo mata is nag-change ang color mag-change ang color ng mata, which is red color, and yan ang body temperature. Kumbaga nag-aada na yung effect ng body kung tungkol ang pagsunod-sunod na gamit ng drugs, nagkakada epekto ng body. That's all po. Thank you.